Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 95.
SuperMath95. So today we were working, continuing our review in the similar triangle section, and we ran into a very interesting example problem in the section about side angle side similarity. And so we're going to work through it much more quickly than we did for real, but we're going to work through it in the movie. So this is what we know about the problem. Everything's labeled. We have triangle ABC and ABD. Side 6 here, AC is 4, CD is 5. It says the perimeter of BCD is 20, and the problem was to find the length BC. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, so first, what is the first thing you should do?
I'm going to label a bit more. Since we're trying to find BC, I'll call that X.
Okay? Good to label what you're trying to find.
And
Okay?
this side is 20 minus 5 minus X, because it's 20. It's the perimeter minus those two sides.
Okay.
Which is the same as 15 minus X.
Okay, so now we can see we've used what they've told us. The perimeter of BCD is 20, so X plus 15 minus X plus 5 is indeed 20. So that's good. So now we've got all the sides labeled, which is a good way to start.
Yeah.
It's also, the easy thing to do. Now the hard part.
Well, now we just need to hope that we can find some angles that are the same.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to look at triangle BAC and triangle BAD.
Okay. Looking at triangle BAD doesn't seem like such a bad idea, does it?
Well, they share this angle, angle BAC,
Okay.
or angle BAD. And their sides, well, it looks like the short side on triangle BAD is going to be 6.
Okay.
The short side here is 4.
All right.
So, well, 4 to 6, and then 6 to 9. The ratios are the same. They're both 2 to 3.
Okay. So that's a very interesting observation. That triangle BAC has a short side of 4, a long side of 6, and then this other side of X. Triangle BAD has a short side, looks like 6, a long side of 9. Those ratios are the same. Does that mean the triangles are similar?
Well, no, because we don't have all 3 sides, but we do have this angle.
We do have this angle that's shared by those sides in the triangle.
So side angle side.
So we have side angle side similarity. Okay. So now I think it'd be a good idea to separately draw those two triangles. So why don't you draw down here triangle BAC?
So here's B, A, C, 4, 6, and X.
Okay. Now draw triangle BAD, but draw it in the way that it's similar to this triangle, so that we get the similarity right.
So let's see. How would it go? I think this would be D here. And then this is B, and then A.
Okay, so label those sides.
So then this is 6, and it was AD, 9, 15 minus X.
Okay. Now are those similar to each other in the way you thought?
Yeah, because it's angle A, they have that angle. So actually, I think A and B are actually switched.
Ah, okay. Let's switch them.
So this is 15 minus X, and that's 9. So it's like that.
Okay, so I'm just going to pause the movie and cut it in two here, just for it's going to get published. Just going to turn it off and on.